Hi everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Today I want to talk about grains. Now, not everyone is a fan of grains. That's okay. But I have some ideas that might help you explore the idea of eating more grains. Because in the long run, grains are really good for us. A lot of us think that we are lacking protein if we are trying to go more towards a plant-based diet. But what the problem can be is fiber. So I have a few grains here today that I'm really excited about. I, first off, love buckwheat, and it's not something that people talk about. And buckwheat is not a wheat product. It is a gluten-free, and it's high in protein. So is quinoa, and adding these together can really be fun. So I did a mix today of quinoa, brown short grain rice, and buckwheat. And it comes out looking really nice, and it can be mixed into savory dishes or it can be mixed in as a breakfast dish. But one thing you do need to remember is when you start eating more fiber, take it slow. Maybe a half a cup a day, and that goes for legumes as well. So stay sure, strong, and steady. Check out our links, and maybe you can start experimenting with some new grains. Have a great day.